Hey, today we're checking out the wireless Apple CarPlay in the 2021 Hyundai Elantra. My name is CD Whitley. Let's check it out. It's easy to set up your Apple wireless CarPlay. Go to the Setup button, Device Connections, Phone Projection. We're going to select Add New and follow the prompts as you open your settings. Bluetooth, select Elantra. Make sure your passkey is correct and pair. Allow access for the phone to the car. Use Apple CarPlay. Just like that. Once you connect it the first time, you don't have to go through these steps again. The vehicle will automatically connect. And that's how you do it. Apple Wireless CarPlay in the 2021 Hyundai Elantra Inline. Also available in select models. BelAirHyundai.com, CD Whitley.